Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use OneDrive to backup and restore Windows 11 upgrade. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, navigate to your Start menu by clicking on it. Once the Start menu opens, type in Settings and press Enter. This will launch the Microsoft Settings window where you'll configure your backup options. The Settings app is your central hub for managing all Windows configurations, including cloud backup features that protect your system and files. Now, to use OneDrive to backup and restore your Windows 11 upgrade, start by clicking on the Update and Security option. This section contains all the tools you need for system updates, recovery, and backup management. Within your Update and Security menu, look at the left-hand menu and click on Backup. This is where Windows integrates with OneDrive to provide seamless cloud protection for your important files and system settings. From here, you'll directly see the Backup Files to OneDrive option. This feature is incredibly useful because it automatically syncs your desktop, documents, and pictures folders to the cloud, ensuring that even if something goes wrong during a Windows upgrade, your personal files remain safe and accessible. Click on the Backup Files button to proceed with backing up and restoring your Windows 11 upgrade. Once you click this, OneDrive will begin synchronizing your selected folders to the cloud, creating a secure backup that you can restore from at any time. The beauty of using OneDrive for this process is that it works continuously in the background. After your initial setup, any changes you make to your backed up folders are automatically synced to the cloud, so you're always protected. If you ever need to restore your files after a Windows upgrade or system reset, simply sign into OneDrive on your new or refreshed installation, and all your documents, photos, and desktop files will be right there waiting for you. And there you have it. You've successfully set up OneDrive to backup and restore your Windows 11 upgrade, giving you peace of mind that your important files are protected in the cloud. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.